In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, edit, and manage events in Wix. Whether you're planning a small gathering or a major event, having a good grasp on Wix's event features will help you streamline your process effortlessly. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you've logged into your account, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. This is your command central where you can manage all aspects of your Wix site, from your blog posts to your online store, and of course, your events. In the sidebar on the left, you'll notice several options, and among them, you'll find the Events tab. Clicking on this will take you to the Events section where you can see any previously created events and manage them as needed. For those who have yet to create any events or wish to add a new one, look for the Add Event button. Clicking this will open up a canvas for you to start detailing your new event. The first decision is to select the type of event you're planning. Wix offers multiple categories, such as workshops, webinars, and more. Selecting the right type sets the foundation for what follows. Next, you'll need to input the name of your event. Choose something catchy and clear that encapsulates the essence of what you're hosting. A memorable name can help attract your audience's attention instantly. Following this, there's an option to type in a short teaser. This is your chance to provide a brief, enticing summary that will pique the interest of potential attendees and encourage them to learn more. The next few steps involve choosing the logistics of your event, including the date and time. Wix makes it easy to select these from a calendar dropdown, ensuring you set the correct schedule. Following this, specify the location. Whether your event is at a physical venue or online, make sure to provide clear and concise details to avoid any confusion. Moving forward, it's time to add more detail in the About the Event section. Here you have the chance to elaborate on what attendees can expect. Be thorough and informative, offering insights into what makes your event special and why they wouldn't want to miss it. Consider mentioning key highlights such as guest speakers, activities, or any unique offerings. Once you're satisfied with the details, click on Create Draft. This action saves your event creation so that you can review or edit any details before making it go live. Remember, it's always a good idea to double-check every piece of information for accuracy. That's it! You've now learned how to create, edit, and manage your events in Wix. By following these steps, you can ensure a seamless and professional event setup process, helping you engage with your audience effectively. Be sure to customize your events to fit the needs and expectations of your participants. And happy planning!